Are you weary of seeing your income vanish in front of your eyes? Do you want financial independence, yet feel trapped in a never-ending money cycle? You are not alone, and there is hope. Financial success is not reserved for the fortunate few. It is within your reach. Imagine a world where money works for you rather than against you. Today, we'll look at 7 game-changing money behaviors that can improve your financial future. Prepare to uncover the secrets of the affluent. These aren't get-rich-quick methods, but rather tried and true tactics utilized by individuals who have truly attained financial freedom. Creating wealth isn't about luck or being born rich. It's about making smart money choices consistently. These habits might seem simple, but they pack a powerful punch. Over time, with persistence and attention, they can lead to amazing results. In this video, we'll explore several down-to-earth strategies for building wealth that anyone can use. These tips will help you dodge common pitfalls and boost your earning potential, setting you on the road to financial success. Whether you're new to finance or looking to level up, you'll find valuable insights here. If you're ready to transform your financial future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below with your favorite wealth-building tip. Let's learn from each other. As your salary rises, it is tempting to increase your standard of living. However, this lifestyle creep may be a quiet wealth killer. It's like attempting to fill a bucket with a hole at the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, it never fills. This tendency might lock you in a circle of earning more, but never moving forward. Instead of naturally spending more when you earn more, push yourself to keep your existing lifestyle. Put the additional money into savings or investments. You'll be surprised at how rapidly your money may increase when you're not continuously increasing your costs. This is not to say that you can never enjoy your money. Rather, it is about being deliberate with your spending increases. Think of lifestyle creep as a choice, not an obligation. Each time you get a raise or bonus, decide consciously how much will go towards lifestyle upgrades. The rest can be your ticket to financial freedom. Remember, true wealth is about having options, not just stuff. Taxation is a reality of life, but overpaying is not. Many people leave money on the table because they do not grasp their tax status. It's like giving out free money. Understanding the tax law may appear difficult, yet a basic understanding may save you thousands of dollars. Consider working with a tax specialist, especially if you have a side business or interests. They can assist you in identifying any missed deductions or credits. Remember, it's not about avoiding taxes. It's about paying exactly what you owe. A solid tax approach is like a roadmap for retaining more of your hard-earned money. Don't wait until tax season to think about taxes. Make tax planning a year-round activity. Keep good records, understand the deductions available to you, and consider the tax implications of your financial decisions. Small changes in how you manage your money can lead to big tax savings over time. Fancy cars and designer clothes might make you look rich, but they won't make you wealthy. True wealth builders focus on investing in themselves and their future, not on impressing others. Your most valuable asset is you, your skills, knowledge, and ability to earn. Instead of spending money on status symbols, invest it in education, skill development, or establishing a business. These self-investments have the potential to yield long-term returns. Take classes, obtain certificates, or gain experience that will increase your earning potential or open up new prospects. Assess the long-term return on investment for every purchase you make. A $1,000 course that raises your income by $5,000 per year is significantly more valuable than a $1,000 watch. Remember that the most successful people are generally lifelong learners who are constantly seeking to increase their knowledge and abilities. Not every debt is created equal. Good debt, such as a mortgage or school loan, may help you accumulate wealth over time. Bad debt, such as high-interest credit card bills, can act as a roadblock to your financial ambitions. Understanding the distinction is critical to your financial health. Make it a goal to pay off high-interest debt as fast as feasible. Try out the debt avalanche method. Pay off your highest interest debt first, then make minimum payments on the remainder. Every debt you pay off frees up additional money to invest in your future. It's like giving yourself a raise as you pay off your debts. While you're tackling existing debt, be cautious about taking on new debt. Before making a purchase on credit, ask yourself if it's really necessary and if you can afford to pay it off quickly. Remember, the freedom of being debt-free is often more satisfying than any purchase. You can't improve what you don't measure. Many people have no idea where their money goes each month. It's like trying to navigate without a map, you'll likely end up lost. Tracking your cash flow is the foundation of all good financial decisions. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Use a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app. Categorize your expenses and look for patterns. You might be surprised where your money is really going. This knowledge is power. Use it to make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. Don't just track your expenses, track your income too. Understanding your total cash flow gives you a clear picture of your financial health. Look for ways to increase the gap between your income and expenses. This gap is where wealth is built. Don't fall for the myth that you need a lot of money to start investing. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. It's like planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. The key is to start, no matter how small. Begin with whatever you can afford, even if it's just $50 a month. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account. As you get used to living without that money, gradually increase the amount. Your future self will thank you. Consistency is more important than the amount when you're starting out. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the investment options out there. Start with something simple, like a low-cost index fund, and learn as you go. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Living below your means doesn't mean living a life of deprivation. It's about being intentional with your spending and focusing on what truly brings you joy and value. Think of it as choosing long-term satisfaction over short-term gratification. This habit is the foundation of all wealth-building strategies. Look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Could you cook more meals at home? Find a cheaper phone plan? Rent movies instead of going to the theater? Small changes can add up to big savings over time. The key is to find a balance that works for you. Challenge yourself to find creative ways to enjoy life while spending less. This might mean exploring free local events, finding new hobbies that don't cost much, or learning to appreciate simpler pleasures. Remember, the goal is to create a lifestyle you love that also allows you to build wealth. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. By adopting these 7 habits, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about making smart choices that align with your goals. Start implementing these habits today and watch your wealth grow over time. Your future self will thank you for the financial freedom you're creating right now. That's all for today's video on building wealth through smart money habits. I hope you found these tips helpful and actionable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more financial wisdom. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Take control and start building your wealth today. Leave a comment below with which habit you're going to start with, and let's support each other on this journey to financial freedom. Until next time, here's to your wealth and success.